Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Galaxy that won't send MMS messages on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on mobile data. After turn on mobile data, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. If you want to fix this problem, just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again, click on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so go to app library. Here, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on messages app and click on storage. Click on clear cache and click on clear data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Galaxy that won't send MMS messages on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.